Hi, I'm Angela Adams with the Adams Girls team and Amerikey Realty, and welcome to 136A Woodmont Blvd, located in Green Hills. Green Hills is one of Nashville's most affluent and popular neighborhoods, as it contains luxury homes on tree-lined streets, as well as offers some of Nashville's best shopping locations, including the only Nordstrom department store in the entire state of Tennessee. Additionally, Green Hills offers some of the best grocery options in town, including locally sourced produce and organic options at Whole Foods Market, as well as the popular Trader Joe's. When living in Green Hills, you're only seconds away from some of Nashville's best restaurants and rooftop bars, which feature award-winning chefs and bartenders, along with seasonal and curated menus. Right down the street is the famous Bluebird Cafe, where you can listen to all of your favorite country music hits. So come along with me to Green Hills in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'll give you a tour of this amazing home for sale. Welcome to 136A Woodmont Blvd in Green Hills, Nashville, Tennessee. This 1940s Cape Cod bungalow has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,250 square feet of livable space. This home's remodel was taken completely down to the studs, so you can have total peace of mind that everything in this home, including plumbing and electrical, is all entirely new. The new open concept floor plan was designed for easy entertaining and relaxing at home, as all of the living spaces are entirely open and seamlessly flow from room to room. Some of the best features of this home are its architectural details, including this original stone fireplace which was left in place, and new architectural details including these amazing barn doors. Right off the foyer, you'll find this amazing home office, which could also be purposed as a nursery or a guest bedroom. And right off the living room, you'll find this spacious dining area, which features designer lighting and an impressive wall of board and batten architectural trim. If you're looking for a kitchen to make amazing home-cooked meals, then this one's got you covered, as it includes all of today's latest design trends along with all of the best modern amenities. This kitchen is loaded with upgrades, including a designer tile backsplash, custom-made cabinetry, quartz countertops, and an undermount farmer sink, along with KitchenAid professional-grade appliances. Right next to the kitchen, not only will you find a walk-in pantry and a full unfinished basement, but you'll also find this spacious laundry room which features a dry drip area and a butler's pantry. Additionally, downstairs you'll find this beautiful designer full bath, which is located right next to the home office, which again can be purposed as a guest bedroom or even a nursery. This redesigned 1940s bungalow now features a well-appointed master suite right on the main level. One of the best features of this master suite is its gorgeous ensuite, which features designer tile along with this incredible replica of an antique clawfoot tub. Additionally, you'll find this impressive stand-up shower, which features natural marble inlay tile, along with a handheld sprayer and a shaving bench. There's also a custom-made vanity with double sinks, along with an accent wall of beautiful shiplap, as well as a private water closet and a spacious walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find more amazing architectural details like this window box, perfect for housing toys or accent pillows. You'll also find 2 very spacious guest bedrooms, both which feature homework stations along with walk-in closets. Additionally, upstairs you'll find extra storage along with this full guest bath, which features his and her sinks and upgraded lighting and plumbing packages. Outside, this home features a spacious 3-car parking pad along with a California-style picket-fenced front yard. If you'd like more information on this property, visit www.136awoodmont.com. This home is being held open daily for private tours. To schedule your private showing, call or text the number on your screen today. To view all of our featured properties or learn more about the services we provide, visit AmeriKeyRealty.com. On behalf of the Adams Girls team and AmeriKey Realty, thank you, Nashville, for trusting us with all of your real estate needs.